Hi guys, welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Yamaha Raider is back, and it's making a bold statement on the streets. With its stretched out chopper styling and raw muscle, this cruiser is built for riders who want presence, power, and attitude. At the heart of the Raider is a 113 cubic inch, 1854 cubic centimeters, air-cooled V-twin engine that delivers massive torque and a satisfying, throaty rumble every time you twist the throttle. Yamaha has refined the fuel injection and ignition mapping for 2025, making the throttle response even smoother while maintaining that signature grunt that Raider fans love. The design of the Raider is unmistakable. Long, low, and aggressive, it features a raked-out front end, a sculpted 21-inch front wheel, and a fat 210mm rear tire that gives it serious road presence. For 2025, Yamaha offers fresh paint schemes with deep metallic finishes and premium chrome detailing, adding to the bike's custom look right from the factory. The slim, stretched fuel tank and minimalist fenders complement the chopper vibe, while the LED lighting updates bring a modern touch without compromising the Raider's classic silhouette. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for style. The Raider's low seat height and forward foot controls let you stretch out on long rides, while the carefully tuned suspension absorbs road imperfections better than you'd expect from a custom-styled cruiser. For 2025, Yamaha has improved the seat cushioning and adjusted the handlebar angle slightly, making the riding position even more relaxed without losing that aggressive stance. Whether you're carving through backroads or cruising down the highway, the Raider offers a surprisingly refined ride. Braking performance is solid, with dual front discs and a rear disc setup providing plenty of stopping power. ABS is now standard for 2025, giving riders extra confidence when riding in varying conditions. The belt final drive keeps maintenance simple and contributes to the smooth, quiet operation. What really sets the 2025 Yamaha Raider apart is how it combines old-school attitude with modern engineering. It's a factory custom that feels special straight off the showroom floor, offering the kind of style and performance that usually comes with a much higher price tag in the custom world. Yamaha has delivered a cruiser that appeals to riders who want a bold, powerful machine with a unique identity. If you're looking for a bike that turns heads and delivers pure riding pleasure, the 2025 Raider deserves a serious look.